Your English guide.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Johnny. How old are you?
I am 20 years old. Where are you from?
I am from France.
What's new?
Nothing much, just the usual. Do you work?
Yes, I am a teacher. Are you a student?
Yes, I study English.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris. Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a husband and 2 children. What languages do you speak?
I speak English and German. What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
What day is today?
Today is Saturday. What is the date?
It is November 30th.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
What do you like to eat?
I like pizza and pasta.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook sometimes. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken. Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
How's the weather today?
It is sunny today. Is it cold?
No, it is warm. Is it raining?
Yes, it is raining.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer. What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. What do you do every day?
I work and study.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every day. What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at noon. How do you go to work?
I take the bus. What do you do on weekends?
I stay home and relax. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like soccer.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I read books.
Can you count to 10?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What's your phone number?
My number is 6661324.
How many people in your family?
4 people.
How much is this?
It is $7.
What time is lunch?
Lunch is at 12:30.
Where do you shop?
I shop at the supermarket.
Do you need help?
Yes, please help me.
How much does it cost?
It costs $7.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, we have blue.
Can I try this on?
Yes, you can.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Are you sick?
No, I am well.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy.
Where is the bathroom?
Down the hall on the right. How do I get to the store?
Go straight and turn left. Is it far from here?
No, it's south, very close.
Where is the bus stop?
It's near the bank.
Can you show me the way?
Yes, follow me.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I feel fine.
Do you have a headache?
No, I don't.
Do you need medicine?
No, thank you.
Should I call a doctor?
No, I'm okay.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
What do you like to do?
I like watching movies.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy fishing. What's your job?
I'm a nurse.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it.
What do you study?
I study nursing.
Is it difficult?
Sometimes it is.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
How do you travel?
By the bus and train.
Do you have a car?
Yes, a small car.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Where the station?
It's near here.
When is the next bus?
In 7 minutes.
Do you need water?
No, thank you.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand.
Can you wait?
Sure, I have time.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, an iPhone.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I use it for work.
Do you have email?
Yes, I have email.
Do you use internet?
Yes, every day.
Can you help with my phone?
Sorry, I can't.
What's your plan today?
I will go shopping.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free.
Can we meet later?
Yes, we can meet.
What time is good?
3 p.m. is good.
Where shall we meet?
At the coffee shop.
What size are you?
I am medium size.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Is this your jacket?
Yes, it's mine.
Are these new shoes?
Yes, they are new.
Do you need new?
No, not now.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I will speak slowly.
Can you repeat that?
Yes, I will repeat.
Do you understand me?
A little, please speak slower.
How do you say this?
Like this little.
Can you write it down?
Yes, I will write it.
Please open the door.
Yes, I will open it.
Can you close the window?
Yes, I will close it.
May I sit here?
Sorry, this seat is taken.
Can I borrow a pen?
Sure, take this pen.
Where can I put this?
Put it here, please.
Is this good?
Yes, it's good.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Is it too big?
No, it's perfect.
Is it too expensive?
Yes, a little.
Which one is better?
This one is better.
Are you early?
No, I'm on time.
Are you late?
Sorry, yes.
When do you start?
I start at 9 a.m.
When do you finish?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you have time?
Yes, I have time.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am thirsty.
Do you need a break?
Yes, please.
Are you cold?
Number, I'm warm.
Do you need anything?
Yes, please, I need.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, I am.
This one or that one?
This one, please.
Now or later?
Now is good.
Here or there?
Here is fine.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee, please.
With or without?
With, please.
Do you need to?
Yes, I must go.
See you tomorrow?
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Goodbye, take care.
Thank you, you too.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Will you come back?
Yes, I will return.
Are you okay?
No, I need help.
Should I call someone?
Yes, please call.
Where does it hurt?
Here, it hurts here.
Do you need water?
Yes, water, please.
Can you walk?
Yes, I can walk.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Is this correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Is this yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Are you finished?
Yes, I'm done.
Are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Is it close?
Yes, very close.
Can you find it?
Yes, I can find it.
Is this the please?
Yes, this is it.
Should we go?
Yes, let's go.
Do you remember?
Yes, I remember.
Can you try?
Yes, I will try.
Is it important?
Yes, very important.
Do you need help?
Yes, please help me.
See you. Bye.
Bye.